Which one? Nate Diaz and Conor McGregor?
What are they fighting at 55?
I do not know. I don't think that's been solidified. I believe that Conor has asked for it to take place at 70, which is where he was.
So he could say, like, I can do this?
Exactly the same weight, and then it won't be a factor, you know. But also, I think he was really healthy at 170. I think he liked that. Conor. I think he felt great leading up to the camp, leading up to the fight. He just had a bad game plan, and his ground game kind of got exposed.
2 weight classes above where he won a title?
It's not 2 weight classes. It's not true. First of all, they both weighed in almost exactly the same.
No, 2 weight classes above where he won his title.
Yes, all it is they're not cutting weight. It's 2, but he's not fighting.
Not cutting weight.
Right, but he's not fighting like Damian Maia, who used to fight at 205 or 185, and he's cutting down.
I mean, at least it's not
to
title shots.
170.
At least it's not title shots where it's like you don't deserve a title shot on 2 weight classes above you. It's just a Nate. 2 weight classes above where he won a title?
It's not 2 weight classes. It's not true. First of all, they both weighed in almost exactly the same.
No, 2 weight classes above where he won his title.
Yes, all it is they're not cutting weight. It's 2, but he's not fighting.
Not cutting weight.
Right, but he's not fighting like Damian Maia,